To log in to Disney Plus using a TV code, start by opening the Disney Plus app on your television. If you have not already installed the app, you can find it in the App Store on your smart TV. Once the app is open, click on the Login button and select the option to log in with a code. On the next screen, you will see a unique code displayed on your television. This code is used to authenticate your device and link it to your Disney Plus account. Next, open a web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone and navigate to the Disney Plus website. Click on the Login button and select the option to log in with a code. You will be prompted to enter the code displayed on your television. Enter the code exactly as it appears on your TV, including any uppercase or lowercase letters and numbers. After entering the code, you will be asked to select your Disney Plus account from a list of available accounts. If you do not see your account listed, you can select the option to log in with your email and password. Once you have selected your account, you will be logged into Disney Plus on your television. You can now browse and watch your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars content. To avoid any issues during the login process, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your Disney Plus subscription is active. Also, be sure to enter the code correctly, as any mistakes may result in an error message. By following these steps, you can easily log in to Disney Plus using a TV code and start enjoying your favorite content on your television. Remember to keep your account information secure and do not share your login credentials with anyone. If you encounter any issues during the login process, you can contact Disney Plus customer support for assistance. They will be able to help you resolve any problems and get you logged into your account. In conclusion, logging into Disney Plus using a TV code is a simple and straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily link your device to your Disney Plus account and start watching your favorite content.